Okay, we're on the way to go get the best pork tacos, Johnny was saying, in Cabo. He said this is the place to go. So that's where we're going. I'm full, but we're gonna go get more food. This is Cooking in Cabo! Okay. Here we go. Is this the way? I guess over here. Gracias. These are the best carnitas in Cabo, and we're gonna get some tacos, right?
Yeah, Los Michoacanos is a good place.
Michoacanos.
Yeah, I have tacos, it's the best. We have ribs inside,
Yeah.
like a beef.
Yeah.
Cuero, how you say the skin? Cuero, tripa,
Tripe.
ripe, and different, and chicharrón. You know chicharrón?
Yeah, that's a huge chicharrón.
Oh yeah, it is huge.
Yeah.
Everything, all here is good.
Nice. Sweet.
So you can order a surtido, a different little,
What is that?
for the same tacos. They have ribs, meat, tripe, different in one taco.
Oh, okay.
So that is good too.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
I'm probably just gonna get the regular meat. I don't think anything crazy.
Okay. And you know what is good here? They made a tortillas handmade too.
Yeah,
That's
my
made the
favorite.
difference
Honestly,
everywhere.
That's what I love about a taco. Yeah. Sweet. So we'll order soon.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Good. So which one are you gonna order?
Okay, my favorite here is tacos de costilla.
Okay.
Tacos are ribs.
Okay.
That's my favorite.
And they take it off the bone.
That's
meat
right.
Off the bone. Nice.
Yeah, that's good. And I asked if they can put a little cueritos, skins.
Oh, little skins inside.
Yeah.
And it's the crispy skins?
No.
No. Oh, you like the other skins? Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Interesting.
So I love that.
Yeah. Great. I'm just gonna get the regular rib.
The
taco.
regular rib, okay,
Yeah.
maciza.
Maciza. Oh no, I want to get what you're getting, but without the skin.
Okay. Yeah, okay. That's good. You will look. It's good.
I know. I would. I just am not in the mood.
Yeah.
But great. So I'm gonna get that. I should just copy you, honestly, but fine. I'll just copy you. I'll get exactly the same. Why not? I'm sure it's the best. Okay. Yeah, we'll just do that. I'm roasting. It's hot today.
Yeah, it is hot here.
Yeah. I was wondering also, mostly around here I see like beef taco places. So is it like, is beef like more popular than pork tacos around here?
Yes, but we have a lot of pork tacos too.
Oh, okay.
A lot of restaurants.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're both also popular. The people love them.
Yeah.
Tacos.
Yeah.
I think the cholleros eat tacos 3 times a week or more.
Nice.
In the morning, lunch, and for the dinner.
Perfect.
Yeah.
That's great.
Vamos a ordenar. A mí me traes un taco de costilla.
Claro que sí.
Con poquito curito, por favor. Y ella.
Dos de la misma, sí.
One for me and one for you?
Yeah, is that okay?
Uno y uno igual.
Yeah.
Ajá, por favor.
¿Con cilantro y cebolla?
Sí.
Por favor.
¿Algo que les puedo ofrecer de tomar?
Solo un topo chico, por favor.
Ok.
Gracias.
Vuelvo enseguida.
Gracias.
Okay, Johnny, I'm excited. You know what? I'm happy you made me order the one with the skin. I do like it. It's just sometimes it's easier to not get the skin.
Yeah. I know that.
My friends down at Cabo Wabo. Sam is rocking like there's no.
This is liver. This is heart. Ribs, like a natural beef. Maciza. This is skin or leather. And I don't know what this is. It's tripa, right?
Okay. You like this guacamole salsa?
Yeah, guacamole is good. And I think the salsa is a little hot.
Okay,
so be
so
careful with that.
careful.
Uh-huh. I just put guacamole.
I know you don't like spicy food.
Yeah, I don't like spicy food.
Oh, it's yummy. It's spicy. Okay, here we go. Oh, I only want one. Sorry, you go for it, Johnny. Oh, wow, these are different handmade tortillas. Like, these tortillas are so much more thin.
Uh-huh.
To get to the beach, we need to go for a swim, we need to work off this delicious pork that we're just eating. We don't need to, but we're going to. I'm gonna finish up this taco with Johnny. We're gonna drink some Topo Chicos, and then we're gonna go get some cervezas.
Yeah, very good.
Very good.
It's good. Yeah, nice weather today. They're hot, but it's good.
Little hot, but it's good.